We do have a more important business to discuss, actually,
Yes.
Tirth, because I want people to know the Tirth that I know, the brilliant scientist with expertise in many, many different fields of science. I want people to know that, Tirth.
Okay.
So I've come up with a list of science questions to ask you. See if you can answer them. Now, I got these questions, and I'm going to grade you. I'm going to give you a grade.
Wait. Is this episode or next episode?
This is right now, Tirth. Right now.
I see.
Pop quiz.
Okay, go ahead.
I got these questions from very legitimate scientific sources. Nature, Science Magazine, Parade.com. So, you ready?
Yes.
There are 20 questions total.
Wow.
There's 2 parts.
Okay.
Each part containing 10 questions.
Okay.
First question. What is the powerhouse of the cell?
Mitochondria, baby!
Very good. It's 1 point for Tirth. Next question. Is a tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
Easy, fruit.
Very good.
But I would say these are artificial distinctions anyway. Big taxonomy is a scam.
Okay, I'm just going to change that from a correct to an incorrect. What are the 4 states of matter?
Solid, liquid, gas, and plasma.
Very good. Okay.
In fact, I would say consciousness is the 5th state of matter, though.
Okay. Again, taking away that point.
It's not fair, man.
What is the central dogma of molecular biology?
The central dogma of molecular biology is you take the DNA and you make RNA from it, and you make protein from that. In fact, there's actually a correction to this. The RNA can go back to DNA. Very
good, Tirth. Very good.
But I don't know if a protein can go back to DNA. I don't think we know that yet.
Yeah, that's interesting. Very interesting.
But the law of symmetry, but the law of symmetry, which is very important to physics, by the way. Another science that's, another field of science very near and dear to my heart.
You're risking me taking away another point.
Damn, even that's not working, huh?
Question number 5.
Okay.
What's the largest desert on Earth?
The Sahara.
Wrong.
The Antarctica.
Yes. Sahara is the largest hot desert on Earth.
Yeah. Okay.
Not doing that well, Tirth. You have 2 right and 3 wrong.
Please, 5 out of 5.
How many times?
Yes.
How many times can you fold an ordinary sheet of paper? Just gonna tee up one in the wrong column for you right now.
9.
Incorrect.
16.
Would you, as a scientist, would you like to experiment?
No, I think I know this. It's like 2 to the some power. And
it's actually 7.
Okay.
It's actually 7. You were close. 9's very close. Okay, so questions are going to get a little bit harder.
Okay.
What is the degeneracy of the genetic code?
Oh, there's like multiple codons that encode for the same amino acid.
Very good. Didn't think you were going to get that one, but very good. What is Einstein's general theory of relativity about?
Well, in the simplest terms, it's actually about gravity and matter, but it actually is a lot more complex than that. But
very good.
We'll stick with that.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Next question. What did the double slit experiment show?
Again, a very complex question, but the simplest answer is particles can be waves, and they can be thought of as particles.
Very good.
Yeah.
The final question in this section.
Oh, okay.
What is the Higgs boson?
Again, a very complex question. The simplest answer is it's supposed to interact and give some amount of mass to particles through its own field.
Okay, good. I'm glad you said
mechanism.
Field at the end.
Yeah.
Right. An excitation of the Higgs field, which gives matter their mass. Very good. Now, this next section I got from ChatGPT. Okay? Let's see how you do.
Okay, big fan of ChatGPT.
Compared to AI.
Okay.
What did the biologist wear to impress their date?
I have no idea, man.
Designer jeans.
That's so bad.
What type of dog can do science?
Oh, lab.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yes.
Why don't scientists trust atoms?
I have no idea.
This one's very easy, Tirth. Come on. Because they make up everything. Come on, Tirth.
So stupid.
You're making me look bad. I vouched for you earlier. Why are chemists excellent for solving problems?
Because they make everything up.
No, that's the answer to the last question. Because they have all the solutions.
Okay.
Why didn't the photon bring luggage to the airport?
Because it travels light.
Good. Nice. What do you call an educated tube?
A learned pipe.
No, a graduated cylinder.
That's so stupid.
Why did the neuron get promoted?
Because it fired somebody else.
No, because they had great potential. What do you get when you mix sulfur, tungsten, and silver?
Stag.
Very close. Very close. I'm going to give you half points.
What is it?
The swag.
Oh, yeah, tungsten stuff. Yeah, okay.
I have a follow-up.
Okay.
What do you get when you mix bismuth, technetium, and hydrogen?
Are we allowed to say that
on
this pod?
No. Please.
It's Jesse Pinkman's favorite word from Breaking Bad.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
What is the chemical symbol for the element that causes arguments on Thanksgiving and is also found in wine?
What? No idea.
What is the chemical symbol for the element that causes arguments on Thanksgiving and is also found in wine?
I mean, a lot of elements are found in wine.
Yeah, but what also causes arguments on Thanksgiving?
A turkey. Family.
No, turkey is not found in wine. It's not an element or a symbol for an element. No, please. The answer, you want the answer?
Yes.
Let me mark that wrong first. Fe, iron, the symbol for iron. Because Fe is found in feuds and fermented grapes.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Oh my
God. This is all from ChatGPT.
Hey, I have a question. What model of ChatGPT are you using? Because this is a very dumb model. No
very
way.
latest
no
model.
Way. No way.
Final question, Tirth. You ready?
Yeah.
Why can't you grow flowers on Uranus?
Because it's full of crap.
It's close. That's close. I'm going to give you half points because it's too gassy. All right, Tirth, you ready to hear your final score?
Yes.
On the first section, you got 80% correct.
Mm-hmm.
On the second section, you only got 40% correct for a total score of 60%, which is...
I thought it should be 120%.
Let's say barely passing. Let's say barely passing. Okay, I'm just going to take more points off. Now you're failing. Oh.
Hey man, if you wanted a smarter scientist on this podcast, you should have gotten one of our other classmates.
I know. Yeah. But you're the only one I could convince to buy an expensive microphone.